Thank you very much.
Quel plaisir d'être ici avec vous ce matin pour souligner cet événement qui s'annonce vraiment, vraiment palpitant et qui nous amène dans des années qui s'annoncent très belles. C'est toujours un grand, grand plaisir pour moi d'avoir l'opportunité de rencontrer les gens et de parler un petit peu de mon expérience d'athlète et de partager ma passion que j'ai pour le sport. 150 ans d'histoire du Canada, donc 150 ans de héros, de légendes et d'ambassadeurs. Et permettez-moi d'être un petit peu biaisé et de vous dire que d'après moi, bien les athlètes sont parmi les grands ambassadeurs du Canada. Athletes show the world what we are made of, and they share values of excellence and values of fair play. Mais en même temps, soyons honnêtes, quand on décide d'être un athlète, quand on décide de représenter son pays, on le fait d'abord pour soi, on le fait pour nos propres raisons. On le fait parce qu'on a le goût de repousser nos limites, parce qu'on a le goût d'aller vite sur une piste et parce qu'on a le goût de gagner des médailles. But even if we do it for our own reasons, very quickly we understand that you know it is a little bit in the fine print that we are going to become great ambassador for this country. And think about it. An average national team member on any sport will be wearing a Canada t-shirt for an average of 100 days a year. And every time they will say your name, they will also say the name of your country. In lane 5, Chantal Petitclerc, Canada. In lane 2, Chantal Petitclerc, Canada. And if you are lucky enough, or fast enough, you will get to go on the highest step of the podium, and they will play your national anthem, and they will raise your flag, and that's pretty amazing. Et je vous dirais que en 20 ans de carrière, j'ai eu ce grand privilège d'être sur la plus haute marche du podium 14 fois, et à chaque fois, c'est un événement qui est tellement unique et incomparable pour un athlète, un événement de fierté nationale qu'on garde avec nous à tout jamais. And I guess athletes, we know, you know us, and we like podiums. And so I was going to share with you, what I believe is the top 3 best moments for every athlete and for myself anyways. And so to start this top 3 best moments for every athlete, well, first you need to win something. So that's the main part. And you win something, you win a race, and you cross the finish line first, and you're so proud, and it's over, and you won. But it's over, but it's not quite over, because you know you do the victory lap, and then you do the media zone, and then you do the doping control, and then finally they tell you to get ready for the medal ceremony. And you go through your bag and you have your national podium jacket from Team Canada, and it's neatly folded, and you put it on, and you still have your heartbeat going on and pounding, and the adrenaline is still rushing. And they take you to the podium, and you stand there on the highest step, and you know, very proud, and you stand tall, and suddenly you hear it, and it's the national anthem playing, and it's your flag raising. And this, I have to say, is a moment that every athlete feels so proud of. And I guess you'll say to me, you know, how can it get better than that? But to be honest, for me, it was always the third best moment as an athlete. Because the second best moment as an athlete comes just a tiny bit after, and you're still on that podium, still hearing the music, and you look in the crowd, and I swear to you, it does not matter where you are on the planet, in every country, every Olympic, Paralympic stadium, you look around, and at some point you will find in the crowd, no matter if it's 50 people, 60 people, 91,000 people in Beijing, you will find that one person with a big smile and a huge Canadian flag. And that's where you see it on the screen. That's where the tears comes up in the athlete's eyes. And you know, that's where this person, you will never meet them, but it does feel like family, and it does feel like home. But the top moment for every athlete will come weeks and days and sometimes even months after. And you go back home and you have your medal and your pride and your moments. And you could be walking down the street, you could be in a grocery store, in a restaurant, and all of a sudden you have this kid running up to you with a huge smile, a little shy, and they see you and they go, Chantal Petitclerc, I saw you race and I want to become an athlete. And this is, you know, the most amazing moment for every athlete, to have this feeling that you are making a difference and that you are having an impact and that you are giving back to someone and to a country that has given you so much. And sometimes it's that kid, and sometimes it will be two midlife people, a couple, and they will come to you, and same thing, they will say, Chantal, we saw you race, and we've decided to lose a few pounds and get healthy. And it's just exactly the same feeling. Et c'est pourquoi je vous dirais, en terminant, c'est pourquoi je pense que c'est tellement important de supporter nos athlètes, mais aussi de supporter toutes les initiatives qui permettent d'inspirer nos jeunes et nos moins jeunes, de les inspirer aujourd'hui, de les inspirer en 2017 et de les inspirer pour des générations à venir. Alors, merci.